Hey there, today we'll be painting the Angel of Shadows from Reaper Miniatures to the core level standard. The first thing you want to do is grab yourself a scalpel or another sharp blade and trim the casting line off the model. Be very careful at this stage and make sure you always cut away from yourself. I've base coated the entire model with Misty Grey using my airbrush, but you can just as easily do this by hand if you like. I take Stone Grey and use this to paint her boots, her corset and her hair. Next we need to use polished silver to paint her lantern, her sword and her necklace. And finally for this step we need to take golden skin and use this to paint her knees, hands and her shoulders and face. Next up we shall move on to the washes. Take Stone Grey and heavily water it down with water or flow improver and wash this all over her white clothing. Dilute it even further to make the colour less strong and wash this over her wings. And finally, mix Stone Grey and Golden Skin together and water this down too. Wash this over her skin areas. And with that, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you next time.